Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to encrypt or unencrypt a folder in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. This is a folder and I have a file in this folder and I want to encrypt this folder. Right click on the file folder, click on properties. In general tab, click on advanced. Now to compress or encrypt attributes, click on encrypt content to secure data. Click here. Now click on OK. Now click on apply. You have chosen to make the following attribute changes. Apply change to this folder only, or apply change to this folder, subfolders, and files. Okay. Select it and click on OK. Now click OK. Look, the folder is encrypted and you will find a lock here. If you want to unencrypt this folder, very simple way, right click on the folder, click on properties, click on advanced on general tab, and just deselect this encrypt content to secure data and deselect folder is ready for archiving. Now click on OK, click on apply, and then select this one, apply changes to folders, subfolders, and files. Click OK, and then click OK. Look, now the folder is unencrypted and you will not find the lock icon here. That means your folder is unencrypted now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.